Hi, this is Denisa, and this is a video on how to write a program that numerically proves that the sine squared of x plus cosine of squared x is equal to 1. I've derived this coding challenge from a website called Codebymath, and it's a website where you can learn to code in the context of mathematics or vice versa. And they've got a repository of great lessons and challenges in this area. This website uses Lua, but I'm going to use Python to do this challenge. Okay, so this trigonomic identity, I won't be talking about the theory around it. If you would like to read more about the theory, you can see this Wikipedia article about it, particularly Pythagorean identities over here, as you can see. Okay, we're gonna start. We're gonna use the math module for Python, so we can use the sine and cosine functions. And okay, so the identity was that the sine of x to the power of 2 plus cosine of x to the power of 2 is equals to 1. And we have to input a value for x, so let's just say 1. And we'll print this value and see if it works. And as you can see, it's not quite 1. It might puzzle you. It's 0.999. Equivalent to 1, you could say, but not quite 1, so we can try another value actually. Okay, so you can see it's 1. We can try another value if that's not satisfactory, any random value really. And you can see it's 1. So apparently you can see it apparently differs from 0.999 recurring to 1, but they're essentially around the same number. So we won't to test this further. You can test this further as the number goes up. You can create a for loop. Let's say for x in range, we can say, let's say 1 to 10. It doesn't have to be too large. We'd like to print out the value of x at the time, so we can see the value and compare it to the trigonometric identity, and then we'll print sum. And then we can run that and see all the proofs of the trigonometric identity from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10, the trigonometric identity works out. It's proven right. And the coding challenge says if you don't believe that this trigonometric identity works, you can modify your code to print out sine of x plus cosine of x, or sine of x cubed plus cosine of x cubed, and we'll do that. So we'll print another sum, a second identity, and that was, if I recall correctly, sine of x. So without the squared, and we can print them together to compare them. And so you can see that the first trigonometric identity is equivalent to 1, but the second is not. So we can do that again. The third trigonometric identity that was listed, which was sine cubed, to the power of 3, plus cosine of x cubed. And then if this trigonometric identity is supposedly true, it will also not equal 1. You can see that here. So the sine of x squared plus cosine of x squared is all equal to 1. You can see in this list of values. It's quite a long list, so you might want to shorten the range a bit, but it's good to have a multitude of values, I think. And you can see that the other trigonometric identities do not add up to 1. So, as we are shown by our Codebymath website here, you'll see that only sine of x squared and cosine of x squared always equals to 1. And there you go, that's it. And that's how you solve the challenge. Thanks for watching, and go check out the challenges on Codebymath.